Hello everyone, I am Madhuri from CSE-B and pursuing my first BTech in Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women under the guidance of Dr. M. Prasad Sir, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Bhimavaram. Now coming to the problem statement, find GCD of most occurring and least occurring elements of given array. Given an array of size n, the task is to find the GCD of highest and lowest frequency element in a given array. What is GCD? The greatest common divisor of two or more numbers is the greatest common factor number that divides them exactly. It is also called the highest common factor, HCF. Now coming to the code. First, the execution of the program begins from the main function. Let us declare the variable to access maximum and minimum elements. Let us declare an array to take required input. Let us take a for loop to take input from the keyboard. Let us take another for loop to check frequency in each number in an array. Now, as we know, first we have to find maximum and minimum elements to find GCD of given array elements. To check maximum and minimum elements, for loop should be used and iterate. If the condition frequency A of I is greater than maximum frequency, then element stored in maximum element. Or else, if the condition frequency A of I is less than minimum frequency, then the element stored in minimum element. Now, the GCD function is to be recursed. If B equals to 0, it should return A value. If condition is not satisfied, it's returned to B. Now, let's compile the code. Either we get correct output or not. Let us give some random array elements. I am giving 10 random array elements. Here is the required output.
This is Saharsha studying first BTech in Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women in Bhimavaram. This video is done under the guidelines of Associate Professor Dr. M. Prasad Sir.
The aim of my program is to change the case of the text. It checks whether the content is in alphabet or not, and then it checks the case of the letter. If the letter is in lowercase, it changes it into uppercase.
The program creates a file named demo.txt, write some text into it, and then read the content to display it in an uppercase. Now let's look into the program. First, I included the header file. Next, the file demo.txt is opened in the write mode using fopen. If the file does not exist, it will create a new file. The string "this is a demo file" is written into the file using fprintf. To close the file, we use fclose. The file demo.txt is reopened in the read mode using fopen. The program reads the file character by character using fgetc. Each character is converted into uppercase using toUpper and printed to the console using putchar. Only alphabets will change, numbers and special characters do not change. The program checks if the file was successfully opened using if condition. If not, it prints an error message using perror and exits. Now we have to check the text in the file till it is the end of the file. If the letters in the text are in lowercase, by using toUpper function, the text will change into uppercase. I am using VS Code compiler to execute this function. Here is the output.